If you own a cleaning business and you're running ads on Google, stick around and watch the rest of this video. I'm Ruben with BookCleaningJobs.com, and today we're going to answer the question, how long does it actually take for somebody to pick up the phone and call you or request a quote after they've seen one of your ads on Google? So we're going to take a look at a live ad campaign. I've been running this ad campaign for a carpet cleaner in a small town in the southern part of the United States for the last couple of years. This campaign spends about $30 per day across search, display, and video, but we're going to focus on the $20 per day search campaign that we're running here. This campaign in the last 90 days has had about 528 clicks at an average cost of $3.40 per click. Small town, cost per click is pretty low on this campaign. And again, I've been running these ads for this client for a long time, so we've optimized the heck out of this campaign. This campaign is converting at about 29%. It's had 152 conversions in the last 90 days. So that's 152 phone calls, lead forms, and chats on this ad account at an average cost of $11.83 per lead. The breakdown of leads is right here: phone calls, chats, and lead form submissions in the last 90 days. But what we want to look at is how long it actually takes for somebody to take one of these actions, right? How long it takes from the time they see your ad to the time they pick up the phone and call you. How long does that actually take? Are people calling immediately when they see your ads, or are they waiting a couple of days and thinking about who they want to hire for the job? So we're going to use segment conversions, days to conversion, to figure out how long it's taking for people to actually turn into a lead. And if we take a look at the data right here, less than 1 day, okay? This line is going to be how many people converted within 24 hours of seeing an ad. Let's scroll over here, and it looks like 143 out of the 152 leads we've received in the last 90 days, 143 of them converted within 24 hours. That's like 94%, 95%, something like that. So like 94% of the people who saw the ad and picked up the phone and called, they did it within 24 hours. So it looks like for a cleaning business, most of the time, if people are getting on Google and searching for a carpet cleaner, they're motivated, they're ready to pick up the phone and call that cleaner. They may not need their carpets cleaned today. They may be able to wait a couple of days, a week, 2 weeks, even 4 weeks. Some people like to plan ahead. Some people know that they're moving out, they're selling a house, they want to get an appointment on the schedule before it's your busy season. Especially the last couple of years, contractors, tradespeople have been so busy, so booked up that a lot of people are calling ahead, wanting to book their appointments 3 or 4 weeks ahead of time because they know that if you're good at what you do, if you're a great carpet cleaner, you're probably booked out for a couple of weeks. So a lot of people, they're going on Google, they're picking up the phone as soon as they see your ad. If your ad looks good to them, they're going to pick up the phone and call you. That's good information to know, but let's take a look. It looks like there's actually some stragglers here too. That's kind of interesting. So in the last 90 days, we've had 2 people who took about 1 to 2 days before they picked up the phone and called after seeing the ad. We had 3 people who took 2 to 3 days before they decided to convert. We had 1 person who took 3 to 4 days, and we had 2 people who took 4 to 5 days. It looks like for the most part, most of these people, once they see your ad, they're going to pick up the phone, they're going to chat with you on your website, or they're going to request a quote on your website within about 4 or 5 days, within that first week of seeing your ad. So like I said, people, when they're going to Google to search for a cleaning company, they're motivated, they're ready to go, they're ready to contact somebody. They're going to convert pretty quickly. Now, I thought this was kind of interesting down here. If you scroll down even further, 1 person took 21 to 30 days to actually convert into a lead, right? Somebody took almost a full month before they finally picked up the phone and called after seeing this client's ad. I thought that was kind of funny. Some people, maybe it takes a lot of research. Maybe they're thinking about getting their carpets cleaned and then they get distracted, forget about it. And 4 weeks later, they come back and decide to finally take action. So anyways, I thought this data was interesting. It looks like if you're going to run ads on Google, for the most part, people are going to click your ad and either call you or not call you. Now, what percentage of people are going to call you? What percentage of people are going to take an action on your ad? What kind of conversion rates are you likely to see on your ads if you're running ads for a cleaning business on Google? Let's go ahead and talk about that for just a second, and then I'll let you go. On this particular campaign, and like I said, I've been running this campaign for a couple of years now, we're getting an overall 28.79% conversion rate. That's an excellent conversion rate. That means almost 1 in 3 people who see one of these ads pick up the phone and call, or request a quote online, or chat with the chatbot on this website. 1 in 3 people take a meaningful action after seeing one of these ads. These are highly optimized ads targeting high quality traffic, and it's resulting in leads for this client. That's 1 in 3 people who are seeing these ads who are actually converting. That means, though, that even on an excellent, high performing campaign that's been fully optimized, been running for a couple of years, there's still 2 in 3 people who see these ads and don't convert. So if you're thinking about running ads on Google, or if you're currently running ads on Google and you're concerned that a lot of people are seeing your ads and not converting, that's okay. If you've got, 10% of people who are converting, 20% of people who are converting, you're in pretty good shape, right? You could probably improve those conversion rates with a little further optimization, but you're in pretty good shape if you can get some people to take action on your ads. If you have 0% conversion rates, if nobody's taking any action on your ads, then you probably need some help. Go to BookCleaningJobs.com and request time to speak with me. Be happy to help with that. And where a lot of people mess this up is they don't set up their conversion tracking correctly. So this conversion rate metric here, these conversion numbers that they see inside of their ad account, this cost per conversion metric doesn't mean anything because it's either tracking the wrong thing or it's tracking nothing at all. Those are common problems that I see inside of people's ad accounts that, if you don't even have your conversion tracking set up, it's hard to know whether your ads are working, how long it's taking people to convert from seeing your ad into an actual lead or a phone call. So if you're having trouble with your conversion tracking, definitely reach out for help. But I thought that this would be interesting to share with you. About 1 in 3 people on this ad account are actually seeing an ad, picking up the phone and calling. And those people, they're doing it within 24 hours. There's a couple stragglers who wait 4 or 5 days. And there may even be one straggler who waits 2 or 3 weeks before he calls you. But for the most part, Google Ads, it's a direct pipeline to people who are ready to talk with a cleaner and book an appointment right now. I'm Ruben with BookCleaningJobs.com. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hit like on this video and hit subscribe if you want to grow your cleaning business. Talk to you later.